This is an overview of Brandenburg v. Ohio, decided in 1969 by the Supreme Court. Clarence Brandenburg was a leader of the Ku Klux Klan. In 1964, he invited a local news broadcaster to attend and film a KKK rally, in which he gave a speech inciting vengeful actions against the government for suppressing the Caucasian race. Other Klansmen attending the rally were armed. After the news segment aired, he was arrested for violating Ohio state syndicalism law, which prohibited advocacy for crime or violence as a means of accomplishing industrial or political reform and voluntary assemblage of groups formed to teach or advocate these doctrines. After being prosecuted, Brandenburg's appeal was taken to the Supreme Court. So the question here is, did the Ohio statute violate Brandenburg's First Amendment rights? The court used a two-pronged test, now known as the Brandenburg test, to determine if speech can be prohibited. A state can prohibit speech only if it is directed at inciting or producing imminent lawless action, and it is likely to incite or produce such action. The court determined that the mere speaking and teaching of such acts is not the same as preparing a group to take action, and that the Ohio statute did not address whether advocacy or teaching of violent acts would actually incite imminent lawlessness. Because the court found that the statute ignored whether or not the advocacy it criminalized actually led to imminent lawless action, this rendered the law overly broad and in violation of the Constitution. Thus, the court reversed the decision to convict Brandenburg. Further, this case concluded that there was no place in First Amendment law for any clear and present danger test, effectively overruling the doctrine set forth in Schneck v. U.S. To forbid or suppress speech relating to violence or unlawfulness, the acts advocated for must be intended, likely, and imminent.